Welcome to MyMemo, your personal AI-powered knowledge assistant. Imagine you're exploring the internet, gathering knowledge. With MyMemo, capturing these gems is simple. It organizes your digital finds into a smart library. Dive deeper with AI-driven insights, connecting your knowledge. Ask questions, get answers from your personalized tool. Say goodbye to digital clutter. Join Memo today, embark on a discovery, organization, and enlightenment journey.
If you often find yourself buried under endless notes, links, PDFs, and screenshots, MyMemo might be the second brain you never knew you needed. Designed for thinkers, creators, and professionals, MyMemo uses smart technology to bring order to information chaos. Instead of trying to remember everything, this digital tool remembers for you, while making recall fast and surprisingly intuitive. MyMemo works like an artificial intelligence-enhanced knowledge assistant. It helps you store, structure, and retrieve all types of content, documents, video clips, web pages, and images on one easy-to-use platform. Rather than just saving content, it breaks things down into understandable insights. You can ask simple questions, and it responds like a conversation, pulling exactly what you need from your database. One of the most impressive parts is how it adapts to your thinking style. Whether you are a blogger organizing research, a marketer gathering content ideas, or a product manager tracking strategies, MyMemo tailors its behavior to match your needs. It also includes deep analysis tools to summarize complex data and highlight key points, helping you absorb information faster. Its unique recall system, called MemoCast, brings a refreshing twist. It resurfaces your stored information in bite-sized formats, making old data feel new again. This is not just storage, it is intelligent knowledge engagement that improves your learning and productivity every day. With a limited-time lifetime deal now available, MyMemo offers real value for those tired of scattered data. Instead of juggling multiple apps or wasting time digging through folders, one payment gives you long-term access to a structured, artificial intelligence-powered knowledge system. If you're ready to reclaim your focus and simplify your workflow, now is the best time to explore the MyMemo Lifetime Deal before it disappears.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for Lifetime Deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.